Hey everyone, I'm Antoinette V. Herrera. Today, let's talk about something super important: how technology, especially multimedia and ICT, makes our lives better. We use it all the time, but have you ever thought about just how much it helps? First, what is multimedia? Based on Wikipedia, multimedia combines various context types such as text, audio, images, video, and interactive elements in digital platforms for a richer, more engaging experience than single medium content. Now, let's proceed. What is ICT? Based on Wikipedia, ICT broadly encompasses IT, emphasizing unified communication and the integration of telecommunications, computers, and software to facilitate information access, storage, transmission, and manipulation. And now, let's move on to the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. What is the benefits of multimedia in 21st century? Multimedia is everywhere. It makes learning more fun and effective. Interactive lessons keep students engaged. Videos explain complex ideas clearly. Multimedia also makes marketing and entertainment more captivating. It's a powerful tool for communication and education. After that, what are the benefits of multimedia in our society? It improves access to education for people everywhere. It connects people across cultures. It allows artists to share their work globally. And what are the benefits of ICT in 21st century? It connects us instantly with people around the world. It offers learners more complete and individual control over their learning. Moreover, many people recognize ICTs as catalysts for change, handling, and exchanging information. ICT is very essential for many industries, from healthcare to finance. Multimedia and ICT are powerful forces shaping our world. They're making our lives easier, more connected, and more exciting.